There's a brand new AI niche going viral on Instagram right now. Pages are getting millions of views with simple AI road restoration videos, but almost no one is doing it on YouTube Shorts or TikTok yet. That means this is your opportunity to jump in early and dominate. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these viral AI road restoration videos using AI. So make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's get started. The first step to creating a viral AI road restoration video is getting a high-quality road image. For this, we're going to use Pexels.com. Head over to Pexels and search for keywords like road or highway landscape. You'll see hundreds of high-resolution, royalty-free images. Scroll through the results and choose a road image that has strong perspective and depth. This makes the AI transformation look more cinematic and realistic. Once you've selected your preferred image, download it to your device. The next step is generating our scene prompts. Head over to ChatGPT and upload the road image you downloaded as your reference image. This helps the AI understand the exact environment, lighting, and perspective we'll use for the transformation. Next, go to the Google Doc linked in the video description. Inside, you'll find a powerful AI prompt template specifically designed for generating cinematic road restoration scenes. From a completely damaged and abandoned road to a fully restored, smooth highway. Copy that prompt template, then go back to ChatGPT, paste the template, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate highly detailed AI image prompts for every stage of the transformation, including the damaged road, the clearing phase, the repair stage, and the final restored road. It will also generate cinematic AI video prompts, which we'll use later to animate the images and create a realistic road construction transformation video clips. Now it's time to generate our AI road restoration images. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "Generate stage 1 image." Then press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will begin creating the first scene of your AI road transformation video. Depending on the image quality and detail, this may take a little longer, but be patient. High-quality cinematic AI images are worth the wait. As you can see, the first image shows a severely damaged and abandoned road, cracked asphalt, erosion, and a neglected environment. That's exactly what we need for the beginning of our road restoration transformation. Once the image is generated, download it to your device. Now repeat the same process for the remaining stages until you have the complete AI-generated transformation sequence. The next step is to turn our AI road restoration images into realistic video clips. For this step, we're going to use Flow AI. Head over to Flow AI and click on New Project. This will take you to the main creation interface. Once you're inside, make sure the mode is set to frame to video, and double-check that your aspect ratio is set to 9:16. This is crucial if you're creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. You'll notice 2+ icons near the prompt box. Upload your Stage 1 damaged road image into the first plus icon. Then upload your Stage 2 cleared road image into the second plus icon. To control how the AI animation behaves, you need a detailed video prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first AI video prompt that was generated earlier. Then return to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the text box, and click Generate. Within moments, Flow AI will animate your static road image. Once the animation is complete, preview the result. You'll notice the movement feels smooth, realistic, and cinematic. Exactly what makes AI road restoration videos go viral. If you're satisfied with the result, download the video to your device. Now repeat the same process for the next transition. Upload Stage 2 in the first slot, Stage 3 in the second slot. Paste the second AI video prompt, and generate the next transformation clip. Continue this process until you've animated all stages. The final step is to bring everything together with editing, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on New Project, then import all your clips in the correct order. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and other vertical platforms. If any clips have watermarks or logos, slightly stretch them until the watermark disappears, and repeat for each clip to keep your video clean. Next, add transitions for smoother flow. Go to Overlay Transitions, choose a style you like, and tap Apply to All so every scene blends seamlessly. Import your background music and trim it to match your video length. Watch the full video to make sure everything looks good. When you're happy with the result, tap Export. Set the resolution to 4K for the best quality and save your video. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions.